Where are we going, dear?
Off to Nindigully.
Yeah, off to the pub. So we're here at Nindigully Pub again, just down by the water. It's a little rainy, but it's not too much, so I think we should be fine. Pub. Kelpie. Danger. No entry. Authorised access only. The old bridge is deemed unsafe. There's no bloody bridge there. Nindigully floodplains. I'm pretty sure these things here, they don't exist. Okay? No. All those things, they don't exist too. It's ridiculous. When we came last year, that was full of caravans. I mean, we are a month earlier this year. But yeah, not a soul. It's nice. And back to my little 4X sign. So, I don't know, like, is that the old pub, or someone just decided to put 4X on their roof, or I don't know. But yeah, I don't see phone booze much anymore. Last year's camp spot. How cool is that? Yeah. I don't know if you can see him.
Very dark. He's very, very dark.
There he is.
It's a wallaby. There's a couple of hitchhikers. Should we leave them? Oh, okay.
Only have room for the dog.
We are having a little picnic down by the...
Bollon River in St. George.
Yes. Oh no, we're walking out onto a jetty. What could be happening here? Ready, set, go! Spazzo. Bloody stunning river. Bollon. Yeah, St. George, Bollon River. Look at me go. Well, it was a nice night at St. George.
Yeah, it was lovely.
The dog did lots of running and splashing.
He did have fun in the river.
And after the massive 46 kilometres yesterday, we are doing 112 to a magic little place called Bollon.
Right beside the river.
Right beside the river. So, yeah, let's get on with it and Shouldn't take us too long. Be there before lunchtime.
Catches.
Where are we? What are we doing?
We're at Bollon and we're going for a walk along the river, walking into town.
Do you want to tell anyone about Bollon?
We're at... Is it a donation camp or a free camp?
A donation.
A donation camp along the river.
Very pretty.
Oh, and we've seen an echidna.
Yeah.
He
I'll
was
put
so
some-
cute.
That's a little bird. Trish and Choco stomping along. Stompy, 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 stompy.
Do you hear that, Choco? Dad's making fun of us.
Heaps of little duckies. There's pretty little wood ducks and all sorts of stuff in there. That's cool. And along the walk you'll find a little sign saying showers 250 metres this way. So probably 500 metres from where we camped.
Come.
Quite a pretty stumble past the river. Nice little park. There's a skate park just back there. Don't know why you need a skate park, but whatever. But yeah, apparently this is like the museum thing of just up here. So we're going to have a sticky. It's good. Peace, quiet. That's nice. Nice little image of a shearing. Oh, the Heritage Centre. Let's have a look-see. Welcome.
Just wait.
That's good. That's good. So far, so good. Oh,
Back.
closed. It's out in the middle of Bollon, someplace where you wouldn't think it is. It's got my cover on, but yeah, free charging station for your phone. Got some old machinery on the way into the camp. A few. Join us next week as we find out whether we've just made a $1,500 mistake. Some decisions look good in the moment, but until the dust settles, will it pay off? Or have we just bit the bullet? Stay tuned and join us next week. Bugger.